In 2016, Amber Heard scored a major PR win in her fledgling battle with her ex-husband Johnny Depp, when she announced that she would be donating her entire $7 million divorce settlement to the ACLU and Children's Hospital of Los Angeles. At the time, the move was widely hailed as altruistic, but if it ever came even close to fruition, there's no evidence for it. Years later, the donation is a point of contention in the actor's bitter defamation trial unfolding in Virginia, as Depp's lawyers attempt to undermine Heard's credibility by proving not just that she never made anywhere near the full donation, but that she lied under oath about having done so in a separate UK trial involving the couple in 2020. In the process, new information is coming to light about Elon Musk's involvement in the donation controversy, and the ACLU's desire to keep everything under wraps. On June 29, 2020, Rolling Stone has learned Depp's legal team sent the first of 6 subpoenas to the ACLU to hand over records regarding a $3.5 million donation reportedly made by Heard. But the organization repeatedly stonewalled Depp's team, forcing the actor to petition a New York court to compel the nonprofit to turn over a cache of documents. That motion was successful, unleashing a torrent of exhibits and testimony that offers a stunning window into how a venerable nonprofit became deeply entwined with Heard and Musk. Back in June 2017, according to court testimony, Heard had made only a single $350,000 payment to the ACLU, which remains the only remittance to come directly from her to date. But she was able to reel in a much bigger donor in Musk, one of the world's richest men, whom she dated for about a year just after her divorce from Depp. Rolling Stone has reviewed an email exchange dated that same month between ACLU Executive Director Anthony Romero and Heard, in which Romero gushed, "Had a great meeting with Elon. Love that guy. Love you too." 1 year later, Musk tweeted, "I am one of the top donors to at ACLU." By 2018, the ACLU became even more enmeshed with Heard, who had accused Depp of domestic violence as their brief marriage was unraveling. The group approached the actress to write an op-ed about gender-based violence and suggested that she can interweave her personal story, saying how painful it is, as a GBV survivor, an ACLU executive wrote in an email read in court. Despite the fact that Heard had been arrested for hitting ex-partner Tasia Van Ree during an altercation at an airport in 2009, an incident that was widely reported well before Heard became an ACLU ambassador, the group doubled down on its relationship with her. According to testimony in the defamation trial, the ACLU wound up writing the op-ed and pitched it to the Washington Post, with a member of the communications team writing, "Wondering if we might interest you in a piece by Amber Heard, who, as you may recall, was beaten up during her brief marriage to Johnny Depp, on what the incoming Congress can do to help protect women in similar situations." It was a curious pitch considering one of the organization's chief aims is to protect the right to due process. The ACLU's core belief is that people are innocent until proven guilty, and in 2018, these were allegations, not proof, says University of San Francisco School of Law professor Laura Bazelon, who recently addressed the ACLU's ties to the Heard-Depp case in an op-ed for The Atlantic. For them to write to the Washington Post and say Amber Heard was beaten by Johnny Depp is convicting Johnny Depp before any court had. Their job is to presume innocence because that's what the Constitution requires. So, these communications where they're going to bat for her seem wildly at odds with what they're supposed to be doing.